I'm Lannie, and I'm a sophomore in mechanical engineering, and I'm project manager of the Wabash Center EPICS team. EPICS is the main reason why I was able to land an internship after my freshman year with not many other relevant skills or experiences. EPICS is able to give you a look into industry and teaches you how to work as a team, to collaborate, and to really expand your skill set. You're never just a specific engineer on an EPICS team. You're just an engineer. And EPICS is able to simulate this industry experience, and that's one of the biggest reasons why we should come back to EPICS as upperclassmen. Usually when you do a project for class, you submit it, you get your grade, and you move on with this. But with projects in EPICS, you're able to see the impact of your project. And that's an experience that you'll take with you much longer after your EPICS experience. So when you tell industry about this, you tell them how you've worked with the engineering design process from conception all the way to generation, they're going to be impressed and they're going to want you on their team because of those skills and experiences that you have.